Hi guys, and welcome back to another BoxofGoth unboxing. I'd better give a little explanation to the title, I suppose. I found the EnglishSimmer through BuzzFeed Sparked challenge of The Sims, and she put up a rags to recycle storyline that I got so involved in so deeply that it got me back into having children again in The Sims 4. I'd been playing as a lone character for a very long time, and Sims 4 is perfect for that. It doesn't really build families. It simply, you can tell the difference. Sims 3 used to call it create a household, Sims 4 called it create a sim. It immediately brings it down onto a much more personal level, and that was the way I'd been playing it for ages. But she's got me interested in actually building up a family and seeing how I can manage to cope with doing multiple tasks with them now. I'd just been playing through a challenge that Deligracy put up about dumpster diving, because we've just had Eco Lifestyle and Nifty Knitting added to the Sims 4 packs. In real life, I have absolutely no interest in having children whatsoever. But yes, The Sims 4 is something different, and it might fit in quite well with the end of my own rags to recycle challenge that I've been doing. It has helped immensely over the past month since a beautiful big dog died. There's a painting of her up there. I've not been at my best at all. I'm still shielding. I'm still in lockdown, and have been since halfway through March. So a couple of weeks longer than a lot of people, and a couple of weeks after a lot of people had stopped. I just don't feel ready to embark outdoors yet. And Sims 4 gives me a life of sorts, I suppose. So yeah, and yeah, these wonderful people that do these subscription boxes, this BoxofGoth, and occasionally the craft box as well that I get, and the occult box that I have been getting occasionally. They've all helped to keep me feeling normal. I mean, I never really feel normal, and as I say, normal is just a thing on a washing machine. There is no such thing as normal, is there? Yeah, but it's given me some kind of, yeah, I can't even say routine, because I'm doing these so infrequently now. But yeah, I want to get back into a routine. I want to get back into doing these properly. But yeah, that's why my nails are naked. I've been playing Sims games for about a month now, so nothing's getting done except the housework that needs doing, like food and washing up and the washing. But yeah, and gardening. I've been doing some gardening as well, but only a little bit. Yes, so we've got now back to the main point of the video after 3 minutes of waffle. The BoxofGoth unboxing. This is the Witchy box, Witching Summer, I believe it's called. It's the July box, and yes, loving these new tabs. They're so much easier to open. It's better for the surprise. Here we have obviously a rather large crystal with, I presume that will tell me what's in there. Got purple noodles this time. I love the noodles. Always love the noodles. They're eminently recyclable. And that is another pretty stone, which I think I know the name of, but obviously, because I'm talking to you on this, it won't come into my head. Another little packet with, might be probably a chain in there of some sort. I'll open this up. Lots of, my goodness me. Oh my goodness me. Wow. I thought that this was a candle. And it's selenite. Wow. Wow. That is awesome. Yes, that is really awesome. A witchy box indeed. They have these little black and white bags that I love so much. A little interesting. That looks like hibiscus. Rose hips and hibiscus, maybe. Let's see. There we go. Hibiscus flower. Attracting love and lust, divination and dreams. Carry in a sachet or burn as incense to attract love. I can also assure you it makes an excellent tea. I won't burn this. I won't drink this. I mean, because obviously it doesn't say it's fit for human consumption on it. But hibiscus flower tea is beautiful. It's really, really a nice kind of fruity flavour. And it does flavour well, not unlike some herbals. Ooh, a little wreath, I believe. I think I might leave the noodles on it. They look pretty. Right, no, yes, we have black rose wreath and purple noodles. Yes, there we are. Hung up to be hung up by a piece of string. That's pretty. I like the way that's woven. Weave. There you go. And lots of little baggies. So I think I might. No, hang on. Yes, there's the pin badges. Yeah, scroll badge saying. Oh, there we go. Saying which. The pin badge. Beautiful. I always love the pin badges. And the little witchy summer crystals and witch with the rose. That's beautiful. Okay, and everything else is wrapped up, so I'll be back shortly. Yeah, I really would say I'll be back in no time at all, because for you it is no time at all. Yeah, okay, here we have a Witching Summer, the poster that goes with a little bin badge, or I should say the poster that comes with the theme of the box. It's very, very pretty, but no signature, so I will check on my little piece of paper when I get round to it. Right, so in the little bag we have blue quartz, also called dumortierite, is a stone of peace, expression and order that can enhance organisational ability, self-discipline and orderliness, also a boost for creativity and expression. Okay, I'll take that. Anything that boosts anything is good in my book at the moment. I could do with as many boosts as possible. Yes, jasper. Unakite jasper, one of nature's most healing crystals of the heart and mind. It resonates with the frequency of love, compassion and kindness. It is a stone dedicated to balancing the emotional body. Again, I will take anything at the moment. If it helps, it helps. I'll be happy for it to help. And we have a little... this, I presume, is smudging wood, but maybe not. We'll see. Burning Palo Santo sticks is a sacred practice used by indigenous communities of the Andes to cleanse their space and ward off evil spirits. Yes, yes, a spiritual practice where you clear your energy fields using a piece of burning Palo Santo. So this must be Palo Santo. Very soft wood. Very, very soft wood. Beautiful smell to it. Yeah. Oh gosh, that is a very, very nicely scented wood. I like that. I'd not heard of that before either. But smudging, yes, I've heard of smudging. More stones. Pretty. I like these green ones. Another form of jasper? No, it won't be, I don't think, because I think we're having different healings. Snake Dragon Jade. Okay. Snake Dragon Jade connects us to nature's rhythms and aids communication to the elemental and fairy world. It cleanses the heart chakra, releasing long-held restrictions and removing Oh, sorry, I've not got a focus. And removing unhelpful thoughts and behaviours that accumulated over the years. I will put that on right now. Yes, that seems perfect for today. Yes, I could do with some cleansing and healing, so that will suit me. And in the second but last, penultimate little baggie, we have this little beauty. Just a minute, sweetheart. Do forgive the dog. He's crying to be let back up with me again because she went chasing off after something. Okie dokie, that is difficult to see. But I'll put it on there while I read this out. When I've unfolded it. Just a second. The volcanic lava bead is completely natural and a healing stone of protection and strength. Lava beads provide stability and energy in times of change. It often helps to dispel anger, cements our beliefs, and provides guidance, clarity, and hope in difficult times. It is a very grounding stone that strengthens our relationship with our planet. Place around wrist or ankle and tighten, cutting and burning off the excess. Be careful. Yes, that is beautiful. It's something else that will go on right now. Oh no, maybe not right now, as I can't actually physically get it over the edge of my hand while I'm holding the camera. Of course I can't. Oh dear. Sometimes I surprise myself with my own idiocy. Yeah, okay. So the other one I could because it was elasticated. Oh, there we go. Let me see which way up I am. There we are. Forever what? Forever irregular. I believe that says forever irregular. And all those years that we've been told to be regular, it's quite nice for somebody to be pushing something else. It's very, I don't know. I was thinking, oh shoot, this isn't seeds or something. It's suddenly going to go flying everywhere. It's a very interesting sound. No, definitely, definitely a chain. Okay, so we have a beautiful, beautiful feather. There we go. From Forever Irregular, I presume. I will now. This one too. That was it. That was it. That was beautiful. A heck of a lot of very interesting stones for my witching summer, and this beautiful door wreath with the 3 black roses that I love already. And I seem to it's behind me. Excuse me. Weird noises. Witch statement enamel pin. Grapevine wreath. Oh, grapevine wreath. Very nice. Hibiscus flower sachet. Hibiscus flower sachet. Jewellery piece by at Forever Irregular. Raw blue quartz crystal. Palo Santo smudge stick. Unakite Gemstone. Snake Dragon Jade chipstone bracelet. Selenite Wand. And the theme image print by at Brecninger. I'm really sorry if I pronounce that wrong every single time I say it. I'm sure I've said it at least 2 different ways. But thank you ever so much, Box of Goth. That is a beautiful witching summer box that I will really enjoy for a long, long time. This is astounding. This weighs an absolute, well, yeah, weight. That's heavier than my dog's. So, yes, thank you ever so much. This is a completely beautiful package. I have a frame waiting especially for this image. I love her work so much. Their work, my apologies, their work. I don't know why I'm assuming it's a she. It could quite as easily be a he or a they. I apologise. Their work is very pretty and I do like it. It's pretty. Very goth pretty, dark pretty. Love, love, love the whole lot, including my purple noodles and my little black and white stripy bag and little black bag. It's so nice. As usual, Box of Goth will come up trumps yet again. Thanks, guys. See you on the next one. Bye.